Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unboxing for you. Now I've got two left from the purchase that I made on eBay. Now these are all from the same person, and for those of you that have seen the previous videos you'll know that this particular sender spends a lot of effort in the way that he sends out his silver. So it makes for really good unboxing videos because not only does he put it in this bubble wrap, he also puts them in their own little pouches as well. So really cool, and it's really great to unbox because it gives it a bit more excitement instead of just taking it out of the original box. So in today's video we're going to do this one. We'll save that one for another day. Let's get straight into it. Now I believe this is another 1 ounce silver bar. I'm not exactly sure because one of these is a silver round. It's hard to tell through there, but yeah, that one might be the round. I think that one's the round 'cause it's, yeah, I think so. So that's handy. So we'll do that separately anyway. So in today's video we'll do this one, which like I said I think is a 1 ounce silver bar, and that is because I've been trying to complete this set here. Now this display case slash storage solution holds 20 bars in total. Really neat. I actually found this on Etsy, and it was actually all the way from the US, so it cost me quite a lot of money in postage, but I just couldn't find anything anywhere else that was similar build to this. And it's just a really cool way of storing your 1 ounce silver bars, but also a really nice way of displaying them on camera as well. So it did cost me quite a bit, but if you're interested in it, I can look back and find the link, especially if you're in the US, because the postage won't be too crazy. You can see it says airtight on there, patent pending. I don't think it's airtight because it's got no seal or anything. It's just held together tightly. So I'd probably disagree that it is actually airtight, but nevertheless, really nice. And a lot of the bars in here are vintage bars, so I don't mind them going a little bit more tarnished. I think it adds to the vintage look of a 1 ounce bar, or any bar. If it's an older year bar and it's a vintage bar, I think the more tarnished it is, the better it looks anyway, because it actually really shows its age. So with that being said, we're going to leave it like that in the air. And like I said, it looks really cool on display as well. It's a nice way of displaying them. So let's get straight into it and let's see which one we have today. I can't remember exactly the designs that I ordered, but I know I found some really cool designs from this person. Really cool pouch. And I have been keeping hold of these because I think it'll be so good in the future to be able to send people some silver, or if I ever sell some silver in the future, I can reuse these pouches. So I think it's a really great experience. Which one have we got here? Oh, is it going to focus? Republic Metals. Republic Metals. Now this is my first Republic Metals bar, and I haven't actually heard of this company before. So if anyone knows any of the backstory on this bar, please do let me know in the comment section. Is Republic Metals still producing bars, or have they stopped? Like I said, I haven't heard of the company before, so this will be my first piece of silver, I believe, that is actually from this particular mint. 1 ounce fine silver, 3/9 fine, a very kind of standard basic looking bar. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but I will put a picture on the screen now so you can see. And I have been doing this in quite a lot of my unboxing videos since I came back onto YouTube after my break. I don't know if you noticed, but I have been putting the prices I paid for particular items on the screen, and that is because I had a number of comments from people saying that why don't I ever show the prices. And I also saw comments on other people's videos as well. I think it was one of Cobra's videos I was watching, and someone left a comment on his video as well saying, why do you never disclose the price you paid for things? And it's not the fact that we hide it as stackers. Well, obviously I don't know Cobra's particular reason, but my particular reason is I don't exactly hide how much I paid for things. It's just hard to keep track. I do track all of my purchases on an Excel spreadsheet, but when I'm doing these videos off the cuff and I'm unboxing things, I don't know exactly what I'm going to be unpackaging, and I don't have the spreadsheet to hand because it's actually on the phone that I'm using to record. So yeah, it's not that I don't disclose how much I pay for things, it's just quite often when I'm editing videos I forget to add it to it. But we'll remember to add it to this video, and a number of people, like I said, have said in the past that could I start mentioning how much I pay for things, and I do mention it sometimes if I can remember. But I'm going to try and make more of a habit of displaying the prices I paid, because this channel originally was started as kind of a diary into my stacking journey, and I think even for myself it would be quite interesting to look back in the future, fast forward say 10 years time, if the stacking silver goes to plan and it does increase how I hope it does. It'll be quite interesting to watch back one of these videos and see how much I paid for a particular item, and then I can compare how much it is now. So yeah, I'm going to try and put the prices on the screen when I do unboxings, just because I think people would like to see that and it's interesting. But when you're buying things like this, because they're kind of vintage bars, they're more collectible, you do pay a premium. Let's add it to the stack. There we go. So we have 2 spaces left now. Really enjoyed putting this together, this series. I've really enjoyed collecting these 1 ounce silver bars. They look great in this display. And this is going to be part of my YouTube stack. So sometimes I'll take them all out and I'll put them on this stand over here. Sometimes I'll leave them in here. It just gives me an alternative way to display them. So let me know what you think of that bar. Like I said, it's quite a kind of bland bar. There's not much going on, but nevertheless it's still 1 ounce of silver, and it's nice to have a different bar that I haven't got in the stack already. As always, thanks very much for all the support. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a very nice day.